Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian style corn on the cob. And I'm going to pair this with what I like eating most with corn, which is pear. Now I'm going to start off with fresh corn. I was gifted this corn by my auntie 3 days before now, but I wasn't ready to use them yet, so I freezed them so that they will remain fresh and sweet. Shout out to my auntie. It can be quite itchy when it comes in contact with your skin. That's the peel of the corn. So you want to be careful if this is like your first time of using corn. Try and remove as much of this fibrous material as possible so it won't irritate you when you're eating. Wash the corn, transfer it to a pot, and put some water in it so that we can bring it to a boil. Note that you do not add salt when you're boiling corn, at least not at first. If not, you end up with corn that we're not going to get ready quickly. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. Now it took this corn about 20 to 30 minutes to be ready because it was really fresh and soft. Right at about the 25-minute mark, I put in my salt. I actually tested the corn first to make sure it was ready before putting the salt. I left this for 5 more minutes so that it can cook and absorb part of the salt. If you're satisfied with eating normal pear, you can just put your pear into the pot when you turn off the flame. Put it in the pot, cover it, and allow it for about 5 minutes, and your pear will be soft and ready to be eaten. But if you want good tasting pear with a lot of flavor, keep on watching. So we just wash the pear. Make sure you wash the pear very well to make sure there's no sand. Concentrate on this part where the stalk normally is. After washing it, just transfer it to your pot or your frying pan. Put little water. You don't boil pear. It's the steam that will cook it or the heat that cooks it. If you put pear into a boiling pot and leave it on fire, what you're just going to do is toughen the skin. It is not going to cook. You can see I'm using my fingers to touch them while turning them. This is just to help me gauge how much more they need to cook for. Now you can notice that the water is almost dry from the pot. We'll just continue like this. Now this whole process took about 5 to 6 minutes, but there are some pears that have taken way longer than that to get cooked, so it's something to bear in mind. Now as the water is completely dry, I allow this to roast in the frying pan. And here we have our pear. You pair it with the corn. Let me know, are you a fan of corn and pear or your team corn and coconut? I didn't even know corn and coconut was a thing until I came to the north. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, now will be a good time to do so. Click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Select the all option so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. See you in the next video. Have fun. Bye.